Here we go, the cheapest accommodation available on a Goda in Pemberton. Now I was going to go for the most expensive, but it's about 700 bucks. Would have been a good video though, but as I'm filming the rally across the weekend, I'm not going to have time to do a proper review. So it's just in and out. Motel reception just here. Beautiful little spot. Smells good. Smell of nectar in the air. What was that? Little seating area here. It's the reception. Oh, I got a restaurant too. Did not know they had a restaurant. Got some people checking in too. I'll let them do their thing and I'll jump in there. But beautiful drive anyway. Down from Perth, about 3.5 hours down from Perth. Do not recommend doing the drive in dusk or dawn, as I can see there being millions of kangaroos on the way down. Hey mate. Good yourself? Just checking in.
Name?
Jimmy?
So number 4,
yep.
Straight at the top here.
Oh yeah, sweet. Yeah, it looks over the grass area, does it?
Yeah,
I think.
you got a view of the rally from there.
Oh really? That's what I'm here to film actually. I've got a YouTube video, so filming at the moment if you don't mind.
No, you're
and I'm going to do a little review of the room as well.
Oh, we should give you a better room then. No.
But it wouldn't be the cheapest though, would it?
No.
Nah, so that's what I'm doing the review on, the cheapest room.
No, very cool.
Yeah, in Pemberton. For the weekend.
Checking out on a Sunday, you can just leave the key in the room.
Yep.
The laundry is free, as well as the gym. Wi-Fi code at the top there, just these numbers there, quite straightforward.
Yep.
And if anything was to occur or you need any help, you can always call the number on the key itself.
Oh yeah, so you got swimming pool.
Yep.
So I'm at the front here,
yep.
Standard room.
Correct.
Yeah, and you said there was a gym as well.
Yep.
It's not bad.
And map of town on the back here.
Oh yeah, sweet.
If I was to advise, I would go around about, no I'm lost, around about between here and here, the rally should travel through.
Yep.
And it's a very good viewing spot because you see them shoot up the hill. And
yeah, I'm part of the media, so I'll be capturing it, so I can stand wherever, mate.
You're lucky, man.
You're the with caution.
You're one of the ones that go out on the road and...
Yep, I will be, yep.
Cool.
Yeah, wicked. Thanks for that.
No problems.
Oh, yeah, here we go. So we got parking in front of the room. So I'm in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And if you heard what he said at reception there, was you should have notified me. I would have put you in a better room, but then it wouldn't be the cheapest in Pemberton. And also, I catch them off guard. Okay, as soon as we enter, tissue box. Oh yeah, smells good. Yeah, they've definitely just cleaned the place. Smells like Ajax. TV, small LCD, very clean. Couple of little stains, but what do you expect? Nice pattern on the roof there. A small little table, chairs, microwave. Is the fridge stocked up? Oh, we got 2 waters and the milk. And your classic bogan dust, sugars, tea, toaster, couple of glasses, nice little bathroom, hair dryer, amenities. Little stains around the sink, but that's nothing. Who cares? Shower, very, very, very clean actually. For the cheapest accommodation in Pemberton. This weekend, mind you, could be cheaper throughout the year and in low season, but this is the cheapest I could get for the weekend. We've got a cupboard here, oh yeah, little storage for your bags, luggage. Bedside tables. Is there a bio? First things first, aircon on. But overall, happy. Very happy. So before we go for a dip in the pool, we're gonna go suss out the gym. So it's quite a large establishment here. Quite a few rooms, not sure how many rooms. Oh, we've got rally cars hidden behind the back here, look at this. A few of the competitors are staying here as well. Treadmill, bike thingy-majig, a few dumbbells, up to 30 kilos. Nah, not heavy enough for me. Oh, we got a squat rack, arm thingy-majig, bench, leg press, I think it is, and pull down. I'm very surprised that the cheapest place in Pemberton has a gym, to be honest. So yeah, so they knew I was coming, so they just chucked a photo of myself up here. Little playground, got an outdoor barbie, sink, and the pool. Really good caretaking here. Grass is immaculate. And we got behind. Should we go for a dip? Oh, it's freezing. It's almost an ice bath. Now's a good opportunity while I'm going for a dip is to read the reviews. So it's Agoda and Booking.com combined overall rating of 8.4, which is excellent. There's been 1,547 reviews. So let's just filter all guests and go from the most recent reviews. Okay, so we got Rob, couple, excellent. Great outlook from room, spacious and comfortable, good bathroom, even if a bit dated. Agree with that, mate? Bit dated. His negative for this place is no on-site restaurant available on Saturday night. Limited food choices in area. So when I checked in as well, the reception did explain that the restaurant should be back online. Well, the restaurant will be back online in their high season. Another review here. Gorgeous little garden motel. Exceptional. 10 out of 10. Fantastic, this little beautiful motel in the heart of Pemberton with friendly staff, sparkling clean room, agree. Comfortable beds. Haven't stayed here yet. Can't comment on that. And a lush setting surrounded by plants and gardens. A review from Christina, couple from Australia. Review score 2 out of 10. All she put was poor hotel. In 2023, it's actually an old review. You go to the time in writing the comment and all you put is don't recommend this hotel with no explanation to why. Okay, I just had a lovely chat to one of the ladies here. One of the guests, she's been coming here since the 80s. So she did say it is a bit dated, the accommodation and that, but friendly staff, clean, always clean, that's what she mentioned. That's actually the first thing I mentioned when I come into my accommodation was the cleanliness. Humans, good morning. First sleeps in the cheapest hotel in Pemberton, motel, I should say. What's the difference? Comment below, I don't know. But first sleep, it is a firm bed. I love sleeping on a firm bed. I once bought a very soft bed and yeah, ruined me back. So now all I sleep on is firm beds. So love this bed. For me, I believe bed is catered to individuals. But for me, a firm bed is good. Noise, not a peep from... I actually do have the room that is on the roadside, but not a peep. It is a small country town, so it's not a highway. So no noise pollution, light pollution. I believe there's a light out here on the veranda that stays on. Okay, what I've just realised, you know how I complained about the light? Only in front of my room. There's no other lights at the front here. So it's just the light here. You probably can turn it off anyway. Maybe it's got like a switch. Oh no, she's plumbed in. But yeah, I guess it's good for security for the cars. But another positive about this place as well is, I said that hot water's mint, cold's even better. So I just had a hot day of in the sun all day for the last 12 hours watching the rally, and had a beautiful cold, it was like an ice bath shower. Yeah, well, something stays on out there, but it didn't disrupt my sleep. Slight noise from this morning when next door had a shower, but other than that, very quiet and comfortable beds. Good morning, it is checkout day. Overall, very pleased with the room. I had to do some slight modifications, but that's what you do when you're in these hotels. No bedside power on either side. Actually, I didn't even check this side. Let's have a look. Don't want to lie. Nah, see, no bedside power, but there is one in the center of the bed. But because I had the other lamp plugged in as well, just unplugged that and then move this power board to this side. So some slight modifications for the room, which is what you do when you get these sort of rooms, you know, you modify it to suit yourself. Yeah, so yeah, overall, great size. You got like a good 2 meters at the front. Like I said, a little table and chairs, and another couple meters on that side, half a meter here. Yeah, noise, again, did not hear. I had a couple staying on this side, did not hear a peep. Very weird. Did not hear any conversations, nothing, no love making. But yeah, and then had, not sure who I had on this side. I did hear the shower yesterday morning, not this morning, so I slept through that. But yeah, did not hear a peep on that side either. But yeah, not sure. Must be, actually, these might be concrete walls. Could be old school concrete walls. No idea. Feels very solid. Must be brick. Not sure. Anyways, thank you for watching. That was Terra Media's first hotel review. If you enjoyed that, comment below anything I missed, anything I should have captured in terms of covering the accommodation. But yeah, I guess you want to know the price. How much was it? Well, it was $163 a night. Always when I leave accommodation anywhere, I always do 400 checks. And look, I was just about to leave. I go, no, I always do that last check. I had clothes hanging up here on the shower that I just completely forgot. But the amount of charges I've left behind, unbelievable. Million charges I've left behind in accommodations around the planet. Yeah, so comment below the strangest thing you have left behind in accommodation, hotels. But yeah, always got to do that triple check at the end. I'll leave it unlocked for you.
Yes, please, that would be awesome.
No worries. I'll end the video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Karri Forest Motel. Lovely little stay. Cheapest stay in Pemberton for this weekend. It could be cheaper throughout any other weekend throughout the year, but yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.